move daw.
Pero magkakapil na lang.
Pwede pang iwas na kapuli na kaya ako na.
Magkakapil na lang.
Okay, pag may kusunod na. Ayun.
Testing laman. Pili ko nga, lagi may laman din eh. Of a far-off place where our heroes welcome will be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see the face, and the voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down an unknown road to embrace my faith. Though the road may wander, it will lead me to you. And the thousand years would be worth. Hindi ka to pa ko. Somehow I'll see it through, and I won't look back. I can go the distance, I will stay on track. No, I won't accept defeat. It's an meron na ako. Ayoko na. Free concert na lang next time po. Naubos ang